Okay, Big Mike coming back to you with a video. Non-emergency medical transportation, taking a patient to the hospital. Yeah, we're taking to a patient over here to a hospital. At a red light right now. Let me just wait for the light to turn green. So yeah, happy holidays to everybody. I've been real busy making that money. But yeah, let's see what today brings. I hope everybody's staying focused and given the opportunity to enjoy life and make that money, you know. Wow, this is a long light here. All right, here we go. Hold on, watch this guy here. All right. Yeah, we almost there. We almost at the destination. It's real cold today. Look at that girl, you know what it has to do, waiting in the cold. These people cross. Yeah, this is Big Mike. I'm coming back to you with another video soon. You know, be blessed and be safe out there driving. And Merry Christmas to everybody and a Happy New Year. Let me all right, let me see where I could drop this patient off. It's parking. All right, peace, Big Mike. I'm out.